Hello friends, how are you? Welcome back to our channel Career Alerts. Friends, this video also I will explain for the notifications all for the mechanical engineering candidates. So step by step I will explain each and every notification and eligibility criteria and also the location of the notification. So if you are the first time visiting our channel, so do subscribe our channel because we regularly update latest job updates, and also if you like this video then please like our video. Okay friends, without wasting our time, let's get started. So in this video all the notifications are exclusively for the mechanical engineering for the experienced candidates. Okay, let's get started with the notification from Harman, so which is in a Samsung company. So the job locations are in various places, so in various notifications, but this company is hiring for a test engineer in manufacturing industry or electronic and mechanical. So the post is test engineer. So you can see all the eligibility criteria and the job description in the notification. So I will give this link in description. So if you are eligible or interested, then you can click and apply. Okay friends, so let us go to the another notification, that is from the Schlumberger company, so which is also hiring for senior designer in mechanical department. The job location is in Coimbatore, which is in Tamil Nadu. So you can see the job description here. So study and understand the structure, scope of work, quickly become conversant to. So you can see all the description they have mentioned in the notification. The minimum job qualifications, so you should complete your diploma in civil engineering or mechanical engineering, and also you should have minimum 8+ years of relevant experience within the oil and gas industry, offshore and onshore. So you can see all the other criteria, eligibility criteria they have mentioned here. So I will give this link in description. So if you decide to work in this company, then you can click and apply. I will give the link in description. So this notification is from Honeywell company. So this company is also hiring for mechanical engineering 1. So in the mechanical department. So you can see the description and job summary they have mentioned in their notification. The education qualification. So coming to the qualifications, the education, you should finish your bachelor degree in mechanical engineering or mechanical engineering technology. Experience, you should have minimum of 2 to 4 years experience in mechanical engineering. So preference to the candidates with LSS. LSS means life cycle service support engineers. They will prefer a little bit more. And also, so the preference will be given to the candidates with the detailed knowledge of conveyor parts, assemblies, so sub assemblies and functioning, etc. So the experience with the material handling system, and also experience with integrating other Honeywell all so integrated and the third party systems. And so the abilities, you should have proficient in use of AutoCAD mechanical, and also you can see the all the other description they have mentioned in the notification. So I am scrolling down step by step, you can see clearly. So the location is in Hadapsar Industrial, so industrial estate, which is in Pune, Maharashtra. So I will give this link in description. So if you are eligible, then you can click and apply. Okay friends, and this notification is from Evitar Engineering Par Excellence company. So Evitar Systems Private Limited also hiring for quality engineering in the mechanical department. So you can see they are looking for a quality QA engineer who can lead the quality control processes at Evitar Systems. The candidate must have a mechanical or production engineering background, and also they needs to have minimum of 2 to 3 years experience in handling of QA process for high precision metal parts. So the engineer will be one of the first few highs and will have to have to the opportunity to set up an own key quality related process at Evitar. So the candidates must be willing to commute to Mahape, which is in Navi Mumbai. So the roles they have given in the notification I have mentioned here. So about the Evitar company also, you can see the description they have mentioned the notification. So I will give their this notification LinkedIn link in the description. So if you are eligible or interested, then you can click and apply if you have the sufficient experience in that company. Okay friends, so let us go to the another notification. This is from Marriott International Hospitality Company. So they are also hiring for associate engineer in so they are taking for the engineering associate post. They have posted this notification in March 11th only. So if you are eligible according to the criteria, then you can click and apply. The location is in Fairfield Bay, so Marriott Bangalore Whitefield, so which is in Karnataka, Bangalore, Mahadevapura, Bangalore, Karnataka. So the time is the schedule is in full time, and also the position type is in non-management type. So position summary you can see, or you can read the description they have mentioned in their notification. I am scrolling down without wasting our time. So I will give this link in description. If you are eligible or if you are interested to work in their company, then you can click on apply. Okay friends, and let's go to another notification. This is from UST company. So this is also hiring for design mechanical or industrial biomedical engineering department. So for the leads they are taking, they have given the this job description of mechanical engineering. You can see the position, responsibilities and all. I am scrolling down, and the basic qualification, you should have BE from a reputed university in mechanical or industrial or biomedical engineering, and also you should have 5+ years of total work experience as a mechanical engineering in the design and development of complex electromechanical devices controlled by software. Okay friends, so these are all the things they have mentioned in the notification. So if you have the eligibility or criteria, then you can click on apply. They are asking desired and preferred qualifications they have mentioned here. You can see if you have the experience, then they will prefer you a little bit more. So I will give this link in description. If you are eligible or interested, you can apply. And this notification is from Thermo Fisher Scientific company. So this company is also hiring for mechanical engineering. For the role and purpose, you can see the description they have mentioned in the notification, and the roles and responsibilities they have mentioned. So I am scrolling down without wasting our time. So candidate and educational professional experience requirement is, so master's or bachelor's degree in mechanical engineering or relevant field or equivalent. So they should have minimum of 4 to 8 years experience with cost takeout, so wave projection execution. So experience with cost takeout or wave methodologies and phase gate process. So competency requirements you can see. So they mandatorily they are asking these eligibility criteria. I am scrolling down without wasting our time. So I will give this link in description. So if you are eligible or if you are desired to work in this company, so you can apply. And this notification is from JBT Corporation. So so this company is also hiring for component engineering in the mechanical or electrical department. The location is in Pune. So you can see the purpose of position. So position within the international procurement team responsible for support of electromechanical or OEM categories. So like motors, valves, hydraulics, chains, belts, gears, so comparing specifications and all. So they have mentioned all these things in their notification. You can see the key responsibilities also. I am scrolling down step by step. The qualification they are asking is, so you should have BE or BTech in mechanical engineering or electrical engineering, but the total experience you should have minimum of 8 years and up to 12 years experience. So if you are eligible or interested, then I will give this link in description. So this notification is from Mott MacDonald company, so which is also hiring for mechanical engineering. The job location is in Noida and Bangalore also. So the job description you can see here. So you should have good knowledge of fire and plumbing international codes such as IPC, NFPA and UAE Civil Defense Code. So they have mentioned all these things in their notification. So candidates specification. So you should have worked in designing and plumbing and so firefighting systems for residential or commercial or infra projects. So job profile you can see here. So I will give this link in description. So if you are eligible or interested, then you can click and apply. Friends, and the final notification is from Atkins, which is a member of SNC, so Lavalin Group. They are also asking for the post of assistant engineering in the mechanical department. So you can see the description. They have mentioned the notification requirement details in general and also in the technical. So personal and people accountabilities. So in the communication. So you should have excellent communication and listening skills. So you should be flexible and positive attitude and all each and everything they have mentioned in the notification. So if you are eligible or interested, then I will give this link in description. You can click and apply. Okay friends, so these are all the total notifications for today. So thank you for watching Career Alerts. Jai Hind.